Mr. Speaker, would you please call the House to order?
The House will come to order. Rabbi Jeffrey Rothman will offer a prayer.
Members of the Assembly, I would like to read an invocation of an ancient text from Ethics of Our Fathers, originally written in Hebrew, and I will translate it into English. Go forth and see which is the good way to which a man should adhere. Rabbi Eliezer said, a good eye. Rabbi Yehoshua said, a good friend. Rabbi Yossi said, a good neighbor. Rabbi Shimon said, one who considers the consequences of his actions. Rabbi Elazar said, a good heart. He said to them, I prefer these last words of Rabbi Eliezer to yours, because in his words, yours are included. Our Father in heaven, guard and protect these members of the New York State Assembly. Instill within them these attributes mentioned in this text. A good eye, one that sees the good in people. One that not only appreciates the victories of others, but applauds them. A good friend, find a good friend and be a good friend. Find a friend to learn from and be a good friend to teach. Value trust, partnership, and confidentiality. A good neighbor. It's not good enough to have a few good friends, but be sure to have a community. Be sure to make a positive impact on that community. Someone who sees the consequences of his actions. Someone with the foresight, the clarity of mind, and ability to navigate difficult choices. Someone who has the fortitude to know what is important, to see things through even when it gets difficult. And finally, a good heart. Someone with patience, not quick to judge or get angry. Someone who devotes his life to the betterment of others. Someone who thinks of others before himself. Someone who judges others with the benefit of the doubt. Someone who acts with humility. It is with feelings of great gratitude to the members of this body, the People's House, that I stand here before you today as a rabbi and as a teacher representing education. I am here with Teach NYS and over 600 students from around the state. I bless you to continue your great work in investing in education, in 21st century education in all schools and for all students. May God bless us with the ability to continue this important work. May He help us appreciate how much of an impact that we have on the children of this great state of New York. And let us say, Amen.
Amen.